We are here at Day Zero Cardano Summit 2025 in Berlin.
Governance is the foundation of everything we do, so it really makes sense to kick the week off talking about governance and bringing people together.
Governance is super important because we want to use this to improve the community with the community's input.
For this year Cardano Hackathon Summit, you have around 133 passionate developers across many teams that have signed up for 2 tracks. So you have a Cardano General 1 and the AI agent with Masumi. The energy is just insane. People are really showing what Cardano innovation looks like.
I'm here today at the hackathon to develop something, showcase, and meet with people, get new ideas and feedback. Feedback is really the core of the whole thing.
So we were actually here to pitch for the Battle of the Builders. So I wanted to connect with the right people, and that summit was obviously the right choice, especially when we have an opportunity to pitch here in the Battle of the Builders, and looking forward to maybe winning it as well. The networking event that is taking place right now, and obviously in the next couple of days, is really amazing.
And this is just the beginning. Don't forget to meet us here in Berlin or live for the entire Cardano Summit 2025, and see you there.